Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, it's gonna be a straight celery drink with some spinach. All right. Put some celery inside of it. We got some cucumber, and also we have some lemon. Got some lemon. Some organic ginger. I'm on the ginger wash off. Some celery. I will just put everything in there now. With 2 cups of water. Just gonna keep this one authentic and real. Might just put a little bit more water for free up the blender. What we're gonna do now is just gonna stir it off. Just get rid of the fiber. So you want to get rid of that fiber, you know what I mean? And this is just refreshing. If you have some fresh mint, just chop some fresh mint in it. Yeah, that is lovely. I will just train the rest myself. But honestly, this is just refreshing and nice and just healthy to have at home. Special way you can do, simple pop a little bit of apple cider vinegar inside of it, or some fresh organic lemon juice, and just pour your drink in it like this. Beautiful one. That's exactly what you need in this time, guys. Look at that. That is amazing. It's just really beautiful and simple and nice. Alright, enjoy the recipe, subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. You can drink this for detox in your body and also really good for weight loss. Stay tuned, I have more recipes and more ideas coming for you. See you next time in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.
you.
Bye.